Presenting to you iWave's Intel Stratix 10 SX SDI Parallel Loopback Demo. Features of the Intel Stratix 10 SX SoC FPGA SOM. In this demo, we are demonstrating SDI Parallel Loopback test on Intel Stratix 10 SX development kit. Video input source is connected to HDMI to SDI converter, and from HDMI to SDI converter it is connected to SDI and iWave's Intel Stratix 10 dev kit. SDI output connector is connected to SDI to HDMI converter, and from that it is connected to display monitor. Stratix 10 SX SoC FPGA development platform is validated up to 4K 60 resolution.